Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. The National Stadium and the Sabina Park are the two venues put forward by the Jamaica Football Federation to be part of the joint bid with the United States, Mexico and Costa Rica to host the 2031 FIFA Women's World Cup. FIFA representatives are due to visit the island this week to conduct on-site inspection of the facilities. Jermaine Brown reports.
In Jamaica's quest to co-host the 2031 FIFA Women's World Cup alongside the USA, Mexico and Costa Rica will move a step closer to reality when FIFA representatives arrive in the island on Wednesday to conduct on-site inspection of facilities. The inspection of the National Stadium and Sabina Park, which have been selected as part of Jamaica's bid to co-host the tournament, will be conducted on Thursday and Friday of this week. Before visiting Jamaica, the FIFA officials will also inspect facilities in the USA before heading to Costa Rica and Mexico after completing their trip to the island. The proposal by the four countries is the sole bid to host the tournament. TVJ Sports caught up with a confident JFF president, Michael Ricketts, who gave a full scope of the expected visit by the FIFA delegation.
A team from FIFA will be here in Jamaica. I think they come in on Wednesday evening. The groundwork starts on Thursday. They will be, of course, looking at venues, stadium, Sabina Park. They will be looking at the Captain Borough Center of Excellence. And, of course, they will be looking at a number of hotels because, of course, this would need a lot of accommodation. So they will be looking at some hotels and, of course, looking at some venues.
As for the selection of the National Stadium and Sabina Park being the venues put forward by Jamaica, Ricketts says he had the full support of the government in submitting the two sites.
The two principal venues in Kingston will be, of course, Sabina Park and the National Stadium. The stadium, hopefully, and Minister Grange did comment positively on the renovation of the National Stadium in time for 2031. I understand that the entire government would have been very excited at having the opportunity to host this global tournament.
But what challenges could the JFF face with the submission of these two venues?
I don't think we should have an issue with accommodation. I mean, the only problem we could have is probably maybe not enough in Kingston, because this is, like I said, this is a global event and it's going to attract a number of persons, hundreds of persons from all over the world. So this will be good for tourism. It will be good for the psyche of every single Jamaican, especially those who have an interest in the sport of football.
FIFA will announce if the USA, Mexico, Costa Rica and Jamaica are successful in their bid to co-host the 2031 FIFA Women's World Cup at the FIFA Congress in Vancouver, Canada on April 30 this year. The 2031 FIFA Women's World Cup will be the first Women's World Cup to feature 48 countries, as it will be expanded from 32. If successful, Jamaica will become the first Caribbean country to co-host a senior FIFA World Cup tournament. Jamaica would also become the smallest nation in terms of population to host a FIFA Women's World Cup. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.